Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong laid the foundation stone for the Nongpo Umden Sonapur Road project valued at Rs 49 crore. The 20-kilometer road project is aimed at improving connectivity in Ribhoi district. Tinsong emphasized the importance of infrastructure development for regional growth. The road will enhance access for local residents and reduce travel time. Tinsong also announced additional plans for blacktopping under PMGSY Phase 3. Several local leaders and officials attended the ceremony marking the start of a key development project.
Ai bakal dalong sisa kabapan mentoy ya kaway pakaway kasnong ya kaway pakaway katunong yin bat kani kusrok kabakam sutenat susu ban ong ya tikolong balai po kilometer nadu nongpo hangne ha umden bat na umden sa 10 kilometer yin le da kata kabengi ong ka intermediate lane